Hey guys, happy holidays! I'm just throwing up a quick video on how to make so delicious and easy to make English toffee. I'll start by putting in 2 sticks of butter on medium heat. Add in my 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You'll be doing a lot of stirring in this recipe for about 15 minutes or so until you see that the mixture glides off your spoon. I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and that will give it a deeper complexity to the taste buds and deepens the colors as well. You want to continually stir, and this is the time I wish I had one of those cordless stir-free while you go and do other things. In the meanwhile, you'll put your roasted almonds spread out on a pan with a layer of foil or wax paper. I am using lightly salted roasted almonds, which is in the snacks section of your grocery store, or you can also roast the blanched almonds at 400 degrees for about 2 or 3 minutes yourself if you prefer. Once the mixture is that deep golden brown and sliding off the spoon, you're going to quickly pour that over your almonds. And you'll be spreading that out. I'm using about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, and these are the milk chocolates. And you'll be spreading that out. It does melt pretty quickly once you put it on since the mixture is still hot. After that, I am sprinkling on chopped up pecans and salted pretzels. I am using about 1/4 cup of the mixture. If you want to make this using dark or semi-chocolate, you can as well. You're going to put this in the freezer for about an hour or so. Once it's frozen, you're going to bring it out and you're just going to basically break it out. You can store this in a freezer bag and it will keep for weeks. It's just so yummy. And there you go. Thanks for watching and wish you all well. Until next time, khop chai.